Imagine an SUV that blends supercar performance, luxury comfort, and cutting-edge technology, all without burning a single drop of fuel. Welcome back to the channel. Today we dive deep into the 2026 Tesla Model X, Tesla's most advanced electric SUV yet. From its stunning exterior and futuristic interior to the incredible electric powertrain, pricing, and potential risks, we're uncovering everything you need to know before buying one. Let's get started. The 2026 Tesla Model X receives a bold refresh, staying true to Tesla's minimalist DNA, but sharper than ever. Its iconic falcon-wing rear doors remain, but with improved mechanics for faster and quieter operation. Up front, a sleeker headlight signature and redesigned aerodynamic bumper reduce drag, enhancing both efficiency and range. The flush door handles and panoramic windshield stretching into the roof elevate its futuristic street presence. Tesla also introduces new wheel options, including 20-inch aero blades and aggressive 22-inch performance turbines, making the SUV look like it's gliding even when standing still. Step inside, and the 2026 Model X feels like a tech lounge on wheels. The cabin is available in 5, 6, or 7-seat configurations, finished with ultralight vegan leather and ambient RGB lighting. A 17-inch central OLED touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with a secondary driver display and a rear entertainment screen. The yoke steering wheel returns, but Tesla now offers a traditional round wheel option following user feedback. Passengers are greeted with ventilated seats, a studio-grade 22-speaker audio system, wireless charging docks, and Tesla's new smart cabin AI that automatically adjusts temperature, seat positions, and lighting based on driver habits. The 2026 Model X lineup includes two insane configurations: long-range dual-motor 0 to 100 km per hour, 3.6 seconds range, up to 580 km WLTP, 0 to 100 km per hour, 2.5 seconds over 1,000 horsepower combined top speed, 270 km per hour. These figures put the Model X Plaid in hypercar territory, beating many gasoline supercars while carrying 7 passengers. Tesla's upgraded 4,680 battery cells improve energy density, reduce charging time, and support V4 supercharging, 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes. The 2026 Tesla Model X enters the premium EV space with a price tag to match. Estimated starting prices: long range, $99,990 Plaid, $119,990 plus add-ons like full self-driving, FSD, premium paint, or enhanced interior packages can push the price beyond $140,000. While costly, it competes directly with luxury SUVs like the Mercedes EQS SUV and BMW iX. Before jumping into ownership, here are key risks to consider. Charging infrastructure. Long trips require access to Tesla superchargers. Limited availability in some regions may cause inconvenience. Build quality reports. Past Tesla models had issues like panel misalignment or software glitches. Improvements are promised, but cautious buyers await real-world feedback. Autopilot and FSD regulation. Full self-driving is powerful, yet still not fully autonomous. Legal regulations and safety concerns remain barriers. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model X the ultimate electric family SUV? It brings blistering speed, futuristic luxury, and groundbreaking technology, but with a premium price and a few uncertainties. If you're ready to embrace the future and lead the EV revolution, this might just be your dream machine. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive insights. What do you think? Would you buy the Model X or wait for arrival? Let me know in the comments below.